you. Can I just say it's great to see everybody back together again. I'm sure like me, we've all missed it so much, being able to socialise. Lovely to see such nice entries, it's terrific. Flowers are lovely too, and the vegetables, wow. So I've been asked to thank a few people, and obviously everyone who's played any part in organising today, huge thanks to them. We know these things don't just happen, it's a lot of hard work for a long time. But I have heard that Dorothy has worked her socks off, so a special thanks to Dorothy.
And Susan.
And yes, as I said, everyone, we know it's always a team, but I've heard from a few people, Dorothy, you've been working the socks off. I've also been asked to thank everyone for donations, all very much appreciated, and I have to thank again of your council for their community grant that paid for the gazebos. And it's nice for me to thank the council for something instead of on the back of an officer. So thanks again, it's lovely to see you all here. Enjoy your day and stay safe, and welcome again to Whitehouse Grow and Show.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And then Lara said some things out with Lara.
I was just trying to demonstrate, that you can actually hold this very, very loosely as long as it's at the right angle. Slower, obviously, than working with a power load. Now, if you just raise your right hand slightly.
Oh, yeah.
The sort of kid's trick of kind of patting yourself on the head and, rubbing your tummy or something. At the same time, it demands a certain amount of coordination.
This is the most fun.
Here's one.
Could we talk a bit about flowers and herbs and anything that is good for bees and butterflies and things like that? Oh, I'm looking at John, aren't I?
Possibly, yes. I do have some bees, yes. Well, if you're asking me what attracts bees, I think probably most flowering plants that have got a nice scent coming off them, nice aroma coming off them, like heather or really any plant that's got the capacity to attract the bee. You'll get it on. It depends on the time of year as well. In the springtime or in the early summer, you get a crop of plants with nice flowering, nice scents coming off, and that'll attract the bees. You get a different set of honey off that than you would from bees that were going for later, maybe later in the year, later in the summer.
First of all, what I would like to do is to first comment about the winners, in that they were very well appreciated, and going by the voting slips, so everyone who's won have won very well, so that's great. On top of this, we always have to make a comment about these beautiful awards that have been made by John Kuhn, and he handcrafts these. So these are one-offs, and no one else will ever have one like it. So treasure if you do win them. Okay, I will put into it. So first of all, the winner for the flowers and floral art, with a beautiful arrangement in a teacup, is Hilary Sinclair. This is it here. That's it.
That's Mary's work of art.
The next announcement is for the fruit section, and a plate of apples certainly caught everybody's eye, and the winner of the fruit award is Wendy Spy. Now the vegetables, that was obviously a real task for everyone to make a decision about what they were going to vote for. We had the organic section and the non-organic section. So you were looking at this section and moving on and going, oh my goodness, I've got to come back now. So we'll set that up a wee bit better next year so that you're seeing the groups against each other. So you can look at organic versus non-organic, and that might be more helpful in making your decisions. But anyway, overall, the thing that caught your eye, that got the most points in the vegetable section, was the one best of greenhouse. And Amanda Curley, one of our committee, has now, big excitement, the children's section. And we had some lovely entries this year, done very beautifully. And the miniature garden got the most points in the children's section. And we have Robert Foster. And lastly, our fun class this year, we thought the supersized vegetable would just make some people smile or just think, wow, look at that. And certainly, when you see Wendy Spy's supersized vegetable, I'm sure you all went, oh my goodness, look at the size of that. So Wendy, there's no award, but just the credit of having Okay, I'm going to move on next to thanking people. And first of all, Anne Horn, we would like to thank you very much for coming today, spending so much of your day here with us, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And we would like to present you a beautiful bouquet of flowers grown by Ian McLaughlin. Right, thank yous are going on for a little bit longer. Obviously, thank you for helping us raise money with the bottle stall. That was great, and it's meant that we don't have to wait behind for a long-winded raffle at the end. So that was very successful. Thank you for that. The next thank yous would be what's been going on through the day. But I think one of the features that we have, this is our second time, we've had the gardener's question time. And I hope you did enjoy that today. I didn't do very much of it, but thanks very much to our chairperson, David Spy, and we've got a little thank you for and obviously the panel members for being brave enough to sit up there and have David field the questions, but for you also to be able to sit there and go, right, what do I know, what can I say about this? And I believe you've done very well today. So Ian McLaughlin, thank you very much for being with us. Pete Creech, thank you very much for being a panel member. John and Margaret, are you still here with us?
I think they've gone home.
They've gone home, right. Lovely. Thanks to both of them as well.
I could take that and give that to John if you like.
That would be lovely, thank you. Yes. Thank you, Peter.
Thank you.
And what else have we got to thank you for? Cantari Electrics, again, produced a huge bag of things. Skipness Smokehouse, some of you believe have won some nice smoked salmon or patty. And Hisrock Butchers, they gave a big discount on the burgers that you had. They were delicious. So there's all this big thank you. Could keep going on and on, but these are the main people that have contributed. And obviously, the biggest thank you goes to everyone who put something to the show, because without all of that, the show wouldn't happen. So thank you very much. And I hope next year that people who have come this time have gone, I could do that, because that's what we've done. We've gone to shows and gone, you know, our potatoes look just as good as that. So that's where it all happens. The next time we have something like this, if you haven't put anything in this year, next time, come and join in. It's not scary, it's just fun, and it's for sharing. So thank you all very much, and have I missed anyone out? Not that I can think of.
A big thank you to Dorothy and all the organising committee. It's taken a lot of organising for all this time.